Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Linux Mint for gaming. First, choose the right Linux Mint edition, often Cinnamon or Mate, based on your hardware's capabilities. Next, install your proprietary graphics drivers, which are absolutely crucial for achieving good frame rates and smooth visuals. Finally, update your entire system thoroughly to ensure all software is current and secure. These initial steps lay a solid foundation for an excellent gaming experience. Now that your system is ready, it's time to get your games. Install Steam directly from the Linux Mint Software Manager. It's straightforward. For a wider range of games and launchers, consider Lutris. This powerful tool helps manage titles from GOG, Epic Games, and more. Don't forget to enable Proton within Steam for excellent compatibility with many Windows-only games. To get the best performance, you'll want to optimize your system. Adjust your power management settings to prioritize performance over energy saving. Close any unnecessary background applications or services that might consume valuable system resources. Monitoring your CPU and GPU usage during gameplay can also help identify bottlenecks and ensure smooth, uninterrupted gaming sessions. For even more gaming options, explore Wine and Play on Linux, which can help run older or more niche Windows games. Some advanced users might even consider installing a custom gaming kernel, specifically optimized for their hardware, to squeeze out every bit of performance. Remember to check the description for links to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. A fresh car makes every drive better, just like a smooth gaming setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.